We're Immobiliser Fitting. This is a 2016 Range Rover Sport protected with a Ghost 2 immobiliser. So if a thief got this key, done a relay attack and went to steal the vehicle, they're going to start it up, but as soon as they go to drive away, you're going to see the vehicle cut out. There you go, they're unable to drive it away. We get loads of errors in an engine light when this happens, and if they try again, it's just not going to start up. So what the customer has to do is put in a unique code. So what they'll do, keep their foot off the brake. If the vehicle's been attempted, they'll turn the ignition on, pop their code in, wait for a double flash. Now we've got that foot on the brake, we can start the vehicle up and drive away. This is a good way to know if the vehicle's been attacked, because your normal procedure, obviously if it's been you in the vehicle, you put your code in, you drive away. When you get in the vehicle next time, it should start up. Nice and simple. Just before you put it in gear, you can do your code 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for the double flash. And now you can pop it into gear. This is a Ghost 2 immobiliser. If you're taking it for a service with the Range Rovers, with the system disarm vehicle running, you press the cancel button 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll get 5 flashes. This is now a normal vehicle. So when it goes back to Range Rover, just simply hand them the key. It's going to start and drive with no code needed. We'll pop it into gear. As you see, it doesn't stall out. We're able to move and drive the vehicle just as Range Rover would if you took it for a service. When you get it back home, you're going to have to turn the system back on. So to do that, you keep your foot off the brake. So we just turn the ignition on. I think it's 4 presses. So ignition on, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for the double flash. We've got that. Now the system's back on. So just to make sure, we're going to turn the vehicle off. Obviously we've taken it home, we want the system back on, so we'll start the car just to check. We won't put our code in, we'll pop it into gear, vehicle cuts out. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're at Immobiliser Fit, and this is a Ghost 2 on a 63 plate Range Rover Sport. Thanks for watching.